Hey everybody, my name is Michael McClintock, and today I would like to teach you by request Little Boat, or O Barquinho. We're going to open up on a B-flat major 7, going to an E minor 7, to an A7. We're going to repeat that same exact concept, but we're starting on A-flat major 7, going to D minor 7, to G7. We're going to do the same thing again, but starting on G flat major 7, going to C minor 7, to F7, and then our turnaround is going to be D minor 7, G7, C minor 7, to F7. And a little variation I like to do on that, just to change things up, is come up here to B flat major 9. And then we're going to take that down to an E minor 11, going to A7. We're just going to repeat that idea, starting here on A flat major 9, going to D minor 11, to G7. Do it one more time here on G flat major 9, to C minor 11, to F7, and our turnaround up here will be D minor at 7, to a G7 with a flat 9, C minor 7, to an F7 with the flat 9. This song can be played as a bossa nova or a samba, but I prefer samba, and I don't believe I've ever taught how to play samba, so this is how you do that. I'm going to use an A major 7 as my example, right? And the first 2-measure phrase I like is this right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. The next place we can take it is moving our thumb on beat 3 to the low E, which is going to be the 5th of our chord. That'll sound like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. Right? And so we don't have to just stay on the D, G, and B with our fingers, right? We can move that to the G, B, and the high E. And then it'll sound like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. And then last but not least, we can just kind of mix and match all of that, right? So slow. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. So a quick variation on that is as simple as just going 1 and 2 and at the very beginning, and then everything else is going to stay the same. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. And the last thing I like to do to kind of exercise this is to play all offbeats with my index, middle, and ring finger. And so what I mean by that is just 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and right? And just trying to get used used to that. That can be tricky for a lot of us, and so the main thing I try to do is to just stay relaxed with that. The first thing that tends to happen is we rush when we start doing all offbeats, and so try to avoid that. Just stay calm and just kind of enjoy that groove, right? And now Little Boat or O Barquinho, nice and slow. And now for the variation, I'm going to just do all offbeats until the turnaround. So it's going to be up here at the B flat major 9. Changing chords early. Changing. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Right. Straighten up. Now bring it back to B flat. Again, I'm Michael McClintock, and this is how to play Little Boat or O Barquinho. And if this video has been helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, giving me a like, or leaving a comment below. I really appreciate it.